This is a casting control bracket for the engine, and apparently we only have one and we need 4 or 5 of them. So I'm making 4, and this is how far I've gotten. I still have to whittle all this inside meat out, which is probably the hardest part because of the angles. But when it's finished, this one should look just like this one.
And that was a solid piece of
Yeah,
aluminum.
that was a billet of aluminum when I started.
Yeah.
So it was a casting originally. That's what it was made as, a casting, but of course we can't do that, so we have to make it out of one solid piece of aluminum.